All right, this video is about automatic course failure. It's one of those super fun ones. I'm going to be very, very direct because clarity always prevents problems. This isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to make sure everyone understands the line and stays on the right side of it. This course follows TCC's policies on academic integrity, and there are certain behaviors that result in serious consequences, including automatic course failure, potential removal from the college, and potential removal from higher education for the remainder of your life. First, plagiarism. Plagiarism is presenting someone else's work or ideas as your own without proper attribution. This includes copying or using work from another student, current or past, published sources, websites, shared documents, and answer banks, or any online material without proper citation. If you submit work that isn't yours, whether it's copied entirely or partially, that's plagiarism. And in this course, plagiarism results in automatic failure. Why? Because it destroys the purpose of the course. You cannot learn analytics by turning in someone else's thinking. It also creates an unfair advantage, and it breaks the trust required for a legitimate academic environment. Second is cheating. Cheating includes any action that gives you an unfair advantage, including unauthorized collaboration, using unapproved notes, websites, or resources during exams or assignments, AI, having someone else complete work for you, or anything else that violates testing or assignment rules. If an exam is closed resource, if the exam is closed resource, treat it as a closed resource. If an assignment is individual work, treat it as individual work. Cheating in any form results in immediate and automatic failure. So let's make it extremely simple. The learning goal of this course is that you can do the work. If you submit work you didn't create, you might temporarily get points, but you lose the skill. And then later in the course, you will get crushed because you don't have the foundation. So academic integrity isn't just a moral policy, it's a practical one. It protects your learning. Now let's talk about generative AI, like ChatGPT, Grok, and all the similar tools. Using AI does not automatically mean you fail a course. But you need to understand what happens in real life when students rely on AI to do the work. AI-generated submissions are usually generic, shallow, and not aligned to the prompt. They often read below college level. They usually miss course-specific requirements and terminology. They frequently contain confident errors or made-up details. So here's the reality. If you submit AI-generated work without major revision and genuine understanding, it will always, or at least almost always, grade incredibly poor, often in the D range or lower, because it will not meet the college level standards of the assignment requirements. In other words, the AI won't necessarily get you failed by policy. It will get you failed by quality. If you are responsible for what you submit, if you don't understand it, don't submit it. If you want to use AI responsibly, use it like a tool to help you outline, to help you brainstorm, to help you proofread, or to help you clarify concepts. But the final work must reflect your thinking, your understanding, and the assignment requirements. So the bottom line, plagiarism, automatic failure. Cheating, automatic failure. Having someone else do your work, access your account, automatic failure. AI work is an automatic failure by policy, but usually fails by performance if you rely on it. If you stay honest and you do your own work, you'll be fine. If you try to game the course, you're gambling with an automatic fail. That's the policy. Now you know the line. Do your own work, follow the rules, and if you're stuck, reach out early. I can help you learn the materials, but I cannot help you violate integrity. So from here, jump in, move on to the next video, and enjoy the course. Bye, guys.